Got him.
Okay, shuck your bullet. Good job, buddy.
Yes. Holy crap, I was so afraid messing up. Oh.
Good job, I'm so proud of you. Good job, Bryce. Opening day and you got him.
Jeez, that's the turkey that we've been wanting. I feel like that's a turkey from last year we've been wanting. Because I think that's the biggest turkey on the farm. Right
Buddy,
there.
you got him. You shot him good. He's not even moving.
Oh, man.
I'm so proud of you.
Oh man. Oh man. He just brought that head up and like got all those feathers down, and I think that was the time because his head was just open.
Yeah, you showed good patience. I'm proud of you.
Well, let's go see him.
He was wanting to go take that decoy out, wasn't he?
Oh yeah.
That is one big Tom. I am so proud of you. That was a perfect shot, Bryce.
I mean, we've been coming out here for years and never seen a bird this big, and then we come out here opening day and then get it.
Couldn't have worked out any better, huh?
Yeah. It's funny because I was wanting to leave right before because we weren't seeing anything but 2 hens. And then this and another Tom rolling, but this one was all fanned out. Try attacking this. I thought it saw me because it like went off running over here because I was like poking my head out of the tent because I was just stretching, and guess it was just meant to be.
Yeah, it's pretty chilly this morning. It was 37 degrees when we got here, so he was getting a little cold and a little frustrated that he was just seeing a couple of hens, but I'm glad he toughed it out. I can't get over the size of that beard.